So, something like 6 o'clock. Something absolutely mental. I'm gonna be getting up. But, I just can't bring myself to do that yet. So I can't want to stay in bed for an hour or two more. By the time that's done, my dad will be gone. So I kind of just need to get up right now. But my voice is really weird because I've got a sore throat. Doggies want a biscuit. You want a biscuit, Mommy? Oh, I think someone's excited. Are you excited for a biscuit? Pip, you'll get one too. There's no need to cry. Yes, gonna get one, Harvey. Calm down, bro. Stupid bag. Pip, get down. Who wants squad? Someone's gonna get hurt and someone's gonna get both. Alright, wow, Pip's sat herself down for the first time in forever. There'll be magic. I shouldn't be singing Frozen songs. Shake a paw, Pip. Good girl. You want the heart? Alright. Now it's Harvey's turn. Harvey, I know you can do quite a lot. Harvey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. So excited. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Good boy. Jump. Clever boy. He can do more tricks than Pippi can. So try and intend for him to do a variety rather than sit down, lie down, shake a paw. Get to jump and do a couple of twirls sometimes. Yeah! All of them are gone now. Can you jump? You got the internet. You got them guys on the internet. Look, there's a mess on the floor, so if you wouldn't mind cleaning it up, that would be awfully great. I would. Look, there's bee on the floor. Send Pippi to work. Yeah, send Pip to work. And she's put a load of rubbish on the camera. Come in your faces, guys. Sorry, guys, but you know where it's time to go. Come on, in the kitchen. Come on. This is my date. Pip. Come on, in. That is a first. Oh my days, I have not had to pick up either of the dog to even try and coax him. What she's doing? What she's doing, Marcy? Pip, you just got caught on camera doing that, so stop it. Little monkey. No, drop it, drop it, drop it. Your name's not Santa, you don't need a beard. Your name is not Santa. No, don't bite me. No! No! I'm gonna have to turn this thing upside down so you can't get to it. No! It's gone. It's gone. It's gone on holiday. So, I'm currently taking this tablet. The second half of it. And I'm not gonna lie. When you swallow it, it is just the taste comes out and it just goes, you just want to be sick. There is no other way to describe it than pure utter filth. It tastes like amaretto liqueur, but it then tastes like licorice and a whole lot of other liqueurs in it. But yeah, it's not nice at all. I don't know if you guys can hear me I'm just going to put you here so you can. The helicopter is out with a film crew in it. I'll just show you. It's mental. But they've just closed the road off for us. It's crazy. Let's get this.
No, it's down here.
Look at this plane.
Looks like a camera or something.
I'm really allowed to pop in. We're actually here, walking past the police. I'm not allowed to film, I don't think, because I haven't got a pass. So I'm not going to film anymore, to be honest, because I really don't want to get in trouble. Guess what, guys? I'm back! Literally for 2 minutes. I've been home for 3 minutes and that's it. Just grabbing 20p and then we're going out to town. I need to get a hat for this party. But I think I might put a hat because look at my hair right now. It's really flat. So I don't know if you can hear this, but it's crazy down there. What happened is our local football town got promoted and they're going backwards really. Crazy. It's so crazy. Got road sweep going. So we came in from town a while ago and I got some new shirts. I got a little pocket tee with the British flag on it. An LA one. A pocket tee with the American flag on it. And a striped top. To be honest, this one is my favourite one. I've never had pocket tees before, so yeah, it's a new experience like that. But today has been good. I haven't done much at all, so sorry for about that lack of footage in the vlog. But it's been cool. I was trying to vlog this event, but obviously if they ask you to stop vlogging and not to film, then you have to obey them, because at the end of the day they're the police, and well, it wasn't the police enforcing the law, it was the air space that was enforcing it, because it's an air ground, so they're a little bit pissed that, and we're probably going to be a little bit pissed when they find out half of this footage is on YouTube anyway. But yeah, it's been good. Phone's ringing. Be right back.